Presto changeo. We turn our basil plant not only into free plants, but into a thriving pesto making machine where you can make boutique pesto right here out of your garden. When we planted this in the bale, first time we came out here and we pruned it to make free plants. Just to remind you what we did, we took those cuttings, we put them in a glass of water, we rooted them. While we're over here, let's look at this basil. You know, everywhere that it branches, it's either going to put roots or it's going to branch. Let's go ahead and prune this one back, let this get a little bushier, and then we can put this in water and we can make more basil. Then we'll put all of these in water and we'll go ahead and make more plants. Pinch them off, put them in water. That's all you got to do. And just like that, this is just how easy it is to make more plants. And the basil, it roots very fast. And we're just going to tease these apart. They kind of interweave. We just kind of tease those apart. We'll get them in some containers. We just get these in some containers. It's down enough, you cover those roots. And we're only going to leave these in here long enough to get those roots established, then we'll plant them out in the garden. Only took a few days. Then we up-potted them, let those roots get a little stronger. Then we brought them out here to the garden and we planted them. Now I've been through and I've seeded them a couple times, but it looks like I need to get after these again. And they are coming along just fine. As the summer progresses, I will go ahead and take cuttings off of these. We'll root those, we'll pot them, bring them in the house. That way we'll have fresh basil for spring. You can do this too. It's not garden magic, but let's go ahead and take a look at our pesto making machine. I like to let these go ahead and seed out. You can see all the bees that we have around here. So I'm going to be careful not to get stung, but still let them eat. You know, I keep saying the hardest work you ever do in a garden is harvest. Just look at this plant. Every one of these seed heads, we're going to come down. We're going to take it down quite a little ways. And what I'm really after are the big leaves. We don't use the stems when we make our pesto. So I'm coming way down here to a branch, and that will continue to branch out right there, just like when we were taking cuttings. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the seed heads off, let those fall. That's the beauty of cut and drop. Now we have all these great big leaves, but I don't want them to wilt before we get ready to use them. So I've got this pitcher of water and I'm just going to stick them all down in here. Right here we've clipped it off once here and once here, but we got new leaves coming on down there. So I'm going to take it kind of low. You get kind of dramatic with your pruning, you're not going to hurt the plant. The more aggressive you get, actually, the bushier it'll get. Oh, and it smells so good. For anybody that's interested in our pesto recipe, send me an email at waylandsmalley5@gmail.com and I'll send it out to you. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to make. The hardest part is actually getting enough leaves that your mixture will work well. But I don't think I'm going to have a problem here today. Here's the secret to making the best boutique style pesto. We wash every leaf, not because we're spraying anything. I mean, you can see the bugs around here, but because we have the bugs around here. And the easiest way we found to wash leaves or any other vegetable is old school. You just fill a little pan with water, you put your vegetables or your leaves in there, sprinkle some baking soda on it, swirl it around a little bit, you'll be amazed at what comes off. Then just rinse that off as normal. By the way, that method's also a really good way to remove worms out of berries. This basil plant is also a free cutting off of that parent plant that we've just been pruning up. Now I want to go take a look at one of our volunteers. Back in here we've got a purple basil, this purple basil, and I believe this is a Thai basil that's coming up. Those all came up on their own. Now I could go ahead and clip out these flower heads and that would make this bush a little faster. But honestly, this purple variety and the one right next to it here, which is also, it's either a mint or a Thai, I like those varieties and I'd like them to reseed more. So I'm going to go ahead and let those flower mature out and drop their seeds. We've got grasshoppers this year galore. I probably ought to stop messing around with this basil. We got other things to harvest. I saw some cucumbers back there. We went through this yesterday. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 okra here, 2 there, 3 there, 1 there. We got okra everywhere. And just like that, Presto changeo, a little garden magic. You turn one plant into a Pesto maker machine, and you turn one seed into an okra maker machine. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden. One trick that I do, now the one trick that we do,